everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you few short traditional jacket designs. These you can make from heavy mirror work fabrics and can be paired with plain kurtis like black or white. These are very common kurtis which you are always having in your wardrobe. So please continue watching the video till the end so that you can get the idea about how you can stitch these type of jackets. There are many varieties and so many combinations which you can try with these jackets. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.